I'm Amro Farouk, Freesia Central Air Condition Manufacturing GM. Here at Freesia Central Air Condition Manufacturing, we deliver high-quality duct and MEP modular solutions that support Azizi projects with speed, efficiency, and full control over production. Since launching in January 2024, we have been since day one supporting all Azizi projects such as Venice and Rivera with a strong and growing team of over 300 employees. As the industrial powerhouse behind Azizi Group, our factories are the backbone of our success, ensuring quality, speed, and seamless project delivery through full integration. We are fully prepared to scale further and ready to support major developments.